So Bayer is losing case after case in the Roundup class action suit and having to pay billions of dollars because of the cancer that it's causing in people. Glyphosate, which is in Roundup, is what they use to spray American wheat with. So first of all, GMO wheat is sprayed 3 times as much as regular wheat. And any wheat anything that's sprayed with glyphosate, you're ingesting that in your body, and there's a class action suit related to cancer and Roundup. Maybe it would be a good time to go organic. And secondly, your body retains all of those toxins and they can cause many other health issues. So follow me, reach out to me, go on my website, integratedlifestrategies.com, look into detoxing because we all have Roundup in our system.